In this video, I will show you the SCADA options of ETOS. Welcome back to our series of ETOS tutorials. Today, let's look at the SCADA connectivity of ETOS. But first of all, what is SCADA? So SCADA is short for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. So a system that collects all kind of data, for example, in a substation, as well as the ability to control all the different devices in a modern substation remotely. But we want to focus on the SCADA capability of ETOS. Let's start with the common protocols we offer. So, for sure, the IEC 61850, very prominent protocol, can be selected here easily. I'll show you how that's done in a bit. Modbus, RTU, or TCP/IP is both on board as a default. DNP3 as serial or TCP/IP protocol as well. The IEC 6870-5-101 is supported, as well as the 6870-5-104. MQTT is the latest addition to this list, so you see we offer a great variety of these protocols to choose from. And the best thing is, with our new hardware platform, the SECOM, you get all these protocols at once, and you can just activate any of these as you like. So let's follow me onto the visualization. So you see the default visualization of ETOS, and we want to go from here to settings and then to the parameters. And here under system, we can find the point general. And in here, we can select the control system protocol. So our SCADA protocol. Currently, the 104 protocol is selected. If I click in, I get the list of available protocols. The MQTT is not part of the default protocols. You have to select that, especially if you require the MQTT functionality. But now we can simply swap that to the IEC 61850 if we want, press accept, and well, for that the unit requires a quick reboot. So after the reboot, we can simply jump back into the parameters, and now under general we can see the IEC 61850 is active. Now that's just the overall selection for the protocol, but now with that being said, we can jump into further parameters for each protocol. So for example, the 61850, we can set an IED name, a device ID, access point, and the edition. If we want to use the 104 protocol, for example, we have the respective settings here as well. And just for example, Modbus, you can select either RTU, TCP, or even ASCII as the available protocol. Now, be aware that for all the protocols being TCP/IP based, we need to take care of the IP address. So first of all, we want to go to the network service assignment to figure out which of the networks is being used for the SCADA communication. Now we have configured it to be network number 2. You have the options to change that as you require. And now we can go into the network settings. And for our network number 2, we can change IP address, subnet mask, and gateway if needed. Same applies for the serial-based interfaces. So the assignment lets us choose whether or not we want to use the sensor bus function or one of the serial protocols here, serial versions of the protocols. And under serial configuration, we can take care of the standard settings. So much for now. And that's it for the protocols with ETOS. Thanks for watching. See you again soon.